Hello, dear students. Today we'll learn about the secondary sexual characters. Actually, the secondary sexual characters are the characters uh, which appear on the body or which are of secondary importance, or you can say these are the characters which are not primarily used in the reproduction. For example, or you can say by these secondary sexual characters we can understand or we can recognize the male and female feature of female features of organisms. The secondary sexual characters in case of boys and girls are different, and these secondary sexual characters are also very important in recognizing the male and female in humans. These The primary sexual characters are actually usually the sex organ, that means ovaries in case of females and testes in case of males. And what are the secondary sexual characters actually in case of boys and girls? There are different sexual characters in secondary sexual characters which develop later in the life in puberty, or you can say in adolescence. In case of boys, facial hair, that means hair development of hair, or you can say beard and mustaches develop. And in case of girls, the breast development takes place. Development development breast development takes place. And the breast development actually the memory glands memory glands inside the breast uh, begin to function. Actually these glands begin to function during the puberty, or during, you can say, during puberty is also the age of adolescence, or you can say teenage also, or teenage, or you can say puberty age. Next is, in case of boys, the characters which we have already studied, they are also included under the secondary sexual characters. These secondary sexual characters, in case of boys, another feature is development of muscles muscle development. Next is the shoulders, broadening of shoulders shoul broadening of shoulders. You can say hair development of hair at or you can say pubic hair at under armpits, hair under armpits and pubic region, the region where the genitals get opened. That region is known as pubic region. In case of girls, the secondary sexual characters are, you can say, the hips roundening of hips. You can say the skin becomes soft due to deposition of the fat layer inside it. Next is development of pelvic development of pelvic girdle development of pelvic girdle, and also pubic hair, or you can say hair under a pubic hair, or you can say under armpit hair also. These are all the secondary sexual characters. These secondary sexual characters actually develop under the influence of hormones. hormones and actually, what are these hormones? What are hormones? Actually, hormone is a small definition, or you can say important. You can remember it. These are actually chemical messengers. The chemical messengers secreted from endocrine glands. Endocrine glands. These are chemical messengers secreted from endocrine glands, And these hormones, actually the definition of the hormone is that, I will write here the definition of a hormone, or you can say the hormones. What is a hormone? Hormone, the organic substances, the organic chemicals, secreted in one part, that is endocrine gland, and secreted in one part, that is endocrine gland, and is poured into the bloodstream, and function far away from the site of manufacture on target site. Actually, target site is the organ. Target site can be organ, it can be tissue, or it can be anything on which hormone works. I will show you an example. That means it is the organic chemical secreted in one part of your body, or you can say endocrine gland, and is poured it directly into the bloodstream and function far away from the site of manufacture on the target sites. That means hormones function on target sites. On pituitary gland, growth hormone, that means GH, it is released from pituitary gland, and it functions on the long bones. That means pituitary gland is in the brain and it functions on the long bones. That means the bones of your legs, far away from the site where it is manufactured, or you can say it gets formed. Actually, it gets transported through bloodstream. This is the action of growth hormone. That means growth hormone is secreted by pituitary gland, which is present in the brain, and it works on the long bones. That means long bones are the target sites of the hormones. This is the example of the action of hormone on the target site. Endocrine glands are the glands which secrete their secretions directly into the blood. The opposite of it is exocrine gland, the gland which secretes its secretion into the ducts, into the pipe-like structure known as ducts. Thank you. Have a nice day.